We want to compare and convert two images, three images, four images into a particular single folder, into a particular single file, into a particular PDF. So, and recently it happens to a friend of mine. I feel that okay, just let me share this. He was asked to share the document, all his documents, in a particular format. So I was just like, wow, this is very, very simple. And I was just like, okay, it will be good if I share this to my people. And today we are going to be looking at just two tools. We are going to be looking at Google Doc on how to use Google Doc to convert image to PDF, and Canva to convert image to PDF. Now, not waste much of our time, let's dive in. Now, before that, I've got the image that I want to use for the sake of this tutorial, and in order not to make it long, so let's dive in. The first thing you have to do is you rename it. You rename your what? Your document. The digital. You rename it. So that's the first thing that is very, very important. You rename it. Then you go to this. You move your cursor to this. Insert image to insert image. Then you click on it. Then you upload the image. And this gives you two advantages. What are the advantages? It's just that the advantage is just that you can upload directly from your computer, as well you can search the web. But my advice to you is just that the best is you get the image ready on your folder on your system before you before you come to this site. So you going online searching the web, it's gonna be kind of a wasting of time, and then so it's good for you to just get the image ready and you dive in. So let's dive in now. Okay, this is it. You can copy the three images, all the image you want to use, you can copy it, have it in a particular folder, rename it on your system, then you just have it on your system like this. So again, that wouldn't be the best method I should use. Let's say I want to have it on different this thing, so we can just do it this way on the right page. So let me delete this. Let me delete it. That is just okay. Now I have to create another this thing for it. So let me just do it one by one. It's not really advisable for us to have it once, to copy everything once. So okay, let me delete this. So let me now do it one by one. Let me do it one by one after the other. Let me do it one after the other. That's that. Then I move down to create another page. After creating another page, I move go here again, insert image, upload from your computer. You click on the next one, you create another page. If you remember the last time I made a video about Google Doc, I show you some things, and if you have not watched the video, please do go back and watch the video to understand how Google Doc work. And you can now resize it. You can resize it, you can fit it, you can resize it the way you want it. So those are the images, and this thing is very, very, very simple. This is a simple way in which you can convert your image to PDF so that you can have it in a single format, in a single place. So as I said earlier, it happened to a friend of mine. So I was like, okay, let me share it to my audience so they can learn new things. Now, after you might have done that, maybe you want to give your idea, you want to write anything there, you can do that. So you can just shift this and drag it. So click on this, then you place your cursor on it. It will change. So okay, so it change. So you drag it down. So you can now drag it down. So you can now write whatever you want to write. You can write it here. But I don't see, for the sake of the video, I don't need to write anything here. So now this is not what I want. Okay. But what I advise is that if you want to write anything, in order not to disturb yourself, you want to write anything on it, you can delete it. So write whatever you want to write. You can write whatever you want to write. The digital. After you might have written whatever you want to write. After you might have written whatever you want to write, you So let me bold this. Let me give you a good test. Okay, let me increase the font. Increase the font. Let me give you a beautiful color. Give you a beautiful color. Now you place your cursor beside the words. Then you go here, upload from your computer. That's it. So we are good to go. So that's it. Then you come here, you download it as PDF. Download as PDF. Download as PDF. That's it. So the next one is we are going to look at Canva. How can you now convert your image to in Canva? So let's say maybe you don't have access to this and you have access to this, or you want to use, or whichever one you want to use, you can just dive here, come here, go to your doc as well, go to doc, go to doc, go to doc. What do we want to do? We want to upload an image. We want to upload image. We want to upload image. As the first image. We put it here. We walk down. We upload the second image as well. Okay, you can even upload everything here at once. Can you upload everything at once? I will upload everything at once. Okay, this second image. This second image. So for those of you that don't want to use the first method, this is the second method in which you can use to have your images in a particular form. So do I need to name it? I don't think so. If the need be, you can name it. You can name it. You can name it if the need be. And write things on it. But if there is no need of you disturbing yourself. The digital. Then you go to share. Then you download. Go to download. Download as this. Okay, anyone any size, A3, A4 letter, legal, and you can now download as PDF. So if you wish to download it as Microsoft Word, can download as PDF. Since it is PDF that you want, you can download it as PDF. Okay. So once it's downloaded, so we can now go to your system, to your computer. You go to download. Go to download. So this is the second one, which is what is it called? I guess for Canva, which is what come from Canva, which is for Canva. The first one. Are we not getting it? What's wrong? What's happening? Okay, let me use something else to open it. Later, you can see this is the first one we did with. I don't really like the way this. I don't like this, but I prefer the second one. So yeah, I prefer this. I prefer this. Yeah, this make a lot of sense. I prefer this. So now I have all my image in a particular format, in a particular place. So I have them in a particular place. So thanks for watching. Next time we are going to be looking at something different. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.